Welcome back to Consumer Insights. In today's video, we're going to be showing you the step-by-step process of how to transfer your iPhone data to a new iPhone with iCloud, and how to move your data from your Android device to iPhone without losing any data. Now make sure to hit that subscribe button, so you never miss out on our latest videos. Let's get started.
New iPhone? You can use iCloud to transfer your apps and data from your previous iPhone and easily set up your new device. First, make sure your previous iPhone and new iPhone are nearby. Then swipe up from the bottom edge of the new iPhone and follow the on-screen instructions until you see the Quick Start screen. On the previous iPhone, you'll see a prompt to set up the new iPhone. Confirm the Apple ID that appears and tap Continue. Hold your previous iPhone over the new iPhone, so the animation displayed on the new device appears within the circle. Once the circle turns green, you can finish the Quick Start process on your new iPhone. Enter your previous iPhone passcode. Then follow the prompts to activate cellular service and set up Face ID. On the Transfer Your Data screen, choose Download from iCloud. Then, review the terms and conditions and tap Agree to continue. Review the data that will be transferred to your new iPhone. Then you can tap Continue or tap Customize to make changes. Now your previous iPhone will begin backing up your apps and data to iCloud. If you don't have enough available iCloud space, you will get free, temporary iCloud storage to complete the backup. Make sure your iPhone stays connected to Wi-Fi while backing up. The time it takes varies based on the size of the backup and your network speed. Next, you'll see the Restore from iCloud screen on your new iPhone. Once the progress bar is complete, you can start using your new iPhone. Content like apps, photos, music, and other data will continue to restore in the background. If you'd like to keep backing up to iCloud, you can subscribe to iCloud Plus. Set up a new iPhone with iCloud. It's easy to move from Android to iOS. Here's how to transfer your photos, contacts, messages, and more. Before you start, your Android device should have Wi-Fi turned on, and both your devices should be plugged into power. You should also double-check that you have enough space on your iPhone for the content you're transferring over. It's best not to finish setting up your iPhone before you begin this process. If you've already set it up, you'll need to erase it and start over. If you choose not to erase it, you can move your content over manually. All right, let's get started. First, follow the on-screen instructions on your iPhone to start setting it up. On the Apps and Data screen on your iPhone, tap Move Data from Android. If you haven't done so already, you'll need to install the Move to iOS app on your Android device. You can download the Move to iOS app from Google Play or scan the QR code on your iPhone by tapping the QR code button in the top right corner of your screen. On your iPhone, tap Continue. A 6-digit or 10-digit code will appear. On your Android device, open the Move to iOS app and tap Continue. If you agree to the terms and conditions, tap Agree, then tap Continue. On your Android device, enter the code displayed on your iPhone. Tap Continue, then tap Connect. Now, just wait until the Transfer Data screen appears on your Android device and select the content that you want to transfer. You can move your Google account, messages, contacts, and other things like accessibility and display settings. Now, tap Continue. Even if your Android device says the process is complete, leave both your devices alone until the loading bar on your iPhone finishes. Depending on how much content you're moving, this process can take a little while. When the loading bar on your iPhone finishes, tap Done on your Android device. Next, on your iPhone, tap Continue Setting Up iPhone and follow the on-screen steps to finish setup. It's that simple. Now your content should be transferred, and all of your important information is right where you expect it. To learn more about your iPhone, from useful tips to helpful features, subscribe to our YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.